Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a crazy day once again, and not that shocking to see this, the price sell off going into the close of the day. We've had 3 days this week. Friendly reminder: markets were closed on on Tuesday, sell off into the close. Wednesday actually was relatively unique because it actually rose into the close. And then today, once again, the sell-off into the close. But all that leads us to, and each one of those dynamics revolves around this 302 mark. And 302 is not like some sort of level that I've only discovered or that I've only taken notice of. No, I assure you, everybody and their brother's uncle is going to be watching and wondering 302 because, once again, the price bounced off of it. So it makes more than enough sense to think that if the price does get down to that level and fall below it, that it could very well create that much more downside pressure. Now, there's no such thing as a guarantee, so I'm not saying that. My core point here is that it's more than valid to think that if the price does violate 302, especially if the price opens up slightly above it and then breaks down through it at any point on Friday, that could definitely create some shorting opportunities around the market from a trading standpoint, that is, because that would, you would think, force and create downside pressure. So 302 going to be the level. Like I said, a whole lot of people are watching, but it is SPY, so who knows? For all we know, this thing's going to totally reverse and maybe gap up at like 308 tomorrow. So you never know in that regard. But if the price does stabilize here and start to work its way back upwards, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, key level of resistance that stands out to me in the near term at 304.50. And then after 304.50, just simply where the party finally stopped today, and that was right up there at 307. But overall, the level I'm most intrigued by, and in my opinion, most other traders are intrigued by and going to be watching very closely, is that 302 mark. So let's see what happens with it on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.